What up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? Welcome to Easy Kitchen. This is your cook, Tony, breaking down how easy it is to cook in the kitchen. Today we're gonna make some barbecue chicken quesadillas. I grilled some barbecue chicken the other day. It's leftovers. We had some tacos the other day. What better thing to do than to put them both together? So first thing we do is take some chicken. Already pre-cut it. Put however much you want on there. I like to eat meat, so generous helping right here. Next up, we're gonna put some mild cheddar on there. Then we're gonna put my favorite cheese on there. Smoked Gouda. All Gouda's not the same, so don't believe that. Just break it down in little bitty pieces. People think it's hard to cook in the kitchen, but it's really not. Especially if you're hungry. Just getting off work and you're hungry and you're starving. We're gonna throw a little bite on here too. We're gonna put some 3-pepper Kobe Jack on there. Just to give it a little bite, a little kick. Don't put too much on there unless you like it spicy. 3 cheese, barbecue chicken quesadilla. Okay. I'll turn your oven on to medium. Medium heat, get that heated up a little bit. Coat the bottom with butter. Once your butter is melted, you're going to lay your quesadilla flat on the bottom. It's kind of like making a grilled cheese. Let that simmer there. And you want to check the bottom, make sure it's not burning. I see that cheese is melting. That's a good thing. Get ready for the flip. Ooh, look at that. It's alright if you get chicken all over the place. Since I'm the cook, I have to clean this up. All three cheeses are blending together. Sounds just like one big grilled cheese. Oh yeah, nice and toasty. Oh yeah, look at that. Maybe give it one more flip. Make sure this side gets toasty a little bit more. Look at that. Nice golden brown. A few more seconds. I'm still cleaning up, y'all. Gotta clean up your mess. Check the bottom one last time. Oh yeah, nice golden brown. Slide that plate over here. And like I keep telling everybody, easy kitchen, turn your stove off. Make sure all your eyes are off. Now don't that look good? Look at that. Cut this into fours. Handy dandy pizza cutter. Look at that. Maybe I'll get me a fork. Cut that a little more. Nice golden brown. See how the cheese just pulls away from the crust? Yeah. Get this piece right here. Oh yeah. We can taste the smoked Gouda because it overpowers the other two cheeses, but I can feel that bite from that 3 peppers Kobe Jack. And of course, you know, we got Fago here. So wash it all down. Soft shell taco, chicken. You can put hamburger on there, steak, whatever kind of cheese you want. Oh man, that's good. Well, like I said, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell. Also give likes. Until next week, this is Easy Kitchen. Your cook Tony. See y'all next week.